Stop waiting for permission to lead. Leadership isn't about titles. It's about influence and action. Step up, take charge, and make your impact felt. Brian Tracy says, leaders are not born, they are made. Develop your skills, take initiative, and lead by example. Influence others through your actions. Communicate clearly, it builds trust. Take responsibility, it earns respect. These principles transform ordinary managers into extraordinary leaders. Today, take one step towards leading without a title. Influence your team, inspire action, and watch the change unfold. Start now.